Hey everybody, and welcome back to Grey County Grillin'. I'm Chris, and today we are going to make a side for your next backyard barbecue. Potato salad, which is always awesome, but this is going to be even better because we are going to smoke those potatoes before we put them in the salad. Stick around, this is going to be awesome. We're using baby potatoes for this potato salad. What you want to do first is measure out 28 ounces of baby potatoes, and then cut each of them in half. It's gonna help them cook faster, and you'll get more smoke over all of the edges when we get them on the Traeger. And then the next step, you wanna just drizzle some olive oil over top. You know, as much or as little as you want, depending on how you like it. Next, just got some kosher salt here. You're gonna sprinkle that over top. Again, however much you want. And then also some fresh ground black pepper. You can always add more later on if you don't think you added too much. Then you just want to get in there with a spatula and give them a stir just to make sure they are all coated with salt and the pepper. There you go. All right, we're gonna let these sit for a little bit and we'll get the Traeger warmed up. The Traeger is all warmed up, and as you can see, so we're sitting at about 263, 264 right now. 250 is what we've got it set at. And we are using Pitmaster's Choice Premium Fruit Blend pellets. Oh, sorry, we're on to the Gourmet Competition Blend now. Here's the bag, Pitmaster's Choice Gourmet Competition Blend. And these are pretty good. They're not the cheapest, less than 30 bucks for a 40-pound bag, which actually isn't too bad, but you know, I've been pretty happy with how they've turned out. All right, let's get these potatoes on. And what I am using is a perforated foil pan. And we're just gonna set this on. And then we are going to dump our potatoes onto that and try and spread them out so that they're in one layer on there. And that's perfect. And the reason I'm using the perforated pan is so that it allows some of the smoke through. If we want to get a good smoke flavor on these potatoes, they're only going to take about 30-45 minutes, so we'll come back and check in half an hour. We are at about 30 minutes since we put these potatoes on, so let's check to see what their doneness looks like. So we're looking for fork tender, and these are nowhere near fork tender. They got quite a ways to go yet. So we are going to bump it up. So we had it at 250. We're gonna put it up to 325 now, just to speed these along a little bit. And we'll come back and check in about another 20 minutes. It's been another 20 minutes. So let's check these potatoes. Well, they are looking more done, but they are still, well, some of them are tough. And some of them aren't so tough. All right, I don't think we got too much longer yet. We'll give another 15. Then come back out. Okay, it's been another 15-20 minutes, and I feel like these are going to be done now. Oh, that one is still quite tough. Some of them are really good. Some of them are not so good. You know what? The majority of them feel like they are good, so I think what we're gonna do is take them out, put them into the bowl, and just let them cook a little bit as they cool down, and we should be good to go then. So we'll get these inside, let them cool down, and then get to assembling our salad. Now I'm just frying up some of my homemade Canadian bacon. We're gonna chop that up after it's cooked, and that is gonna go in the salad as well. And now that the potatoes have had a chance to cool, we are ready to assemble the rest of our salad. So what you need is half a cup of sour cream. I'm just kind of eyeballing that. And then about half a cup of mayo. Again, we're just kind of eyeballing it. We'll add a little bit more if need be. Then we've got about 3 tablespoons of fresh chives from our garden. Got the bacon all chopped up from the Blackstone. And again, that is my own homemade Canadian bacon. I'm gonna put a link to that video in the top corner there, so check that out. And then you will want a good helping of some shredded cheese in there. All right, there it is. Now you're gonna mix it all up. There is one last thing. You need about a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. So we'll just eyeball that as well. That looks good. And then give the whole thing a good mix. So again, you can add salt and pepper to taste if you want. I salt and peppered the potatoes really good before, so I'm not too concerned, although we will give it a taste just to see. Nope, that does not need anything. That is amazing, wow. Oh yeah, that is gonna be a hit. So thanks for watching, everybody. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share with your friends, leave me a comment down below. And if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon next to it so you get notified every time I've got a new video uploaded. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.